former Hawks officer handed 11-year sentence for corruption in Western Cape by Satori News. In a significant ruling that underscores the commitment of South African authorities to combating corruption within the ranks of law enforcement, the Belleville Serious Commercial Crimes Court sentenced 56-year-old former Hawks officer Esmeralda Bailey to direct imprisonment of 11 years. The former officer faced multiple charges including corruption, drug possession, obstruction of the administration of justice, and the negligent loss of a firearm. This event marks a substantial development in the ongoing efforts to maintain integrity and discipline within South African security forces. The guilty verdicts handed down on 21st of November 2023 culminated in a sentencing that sees Bailey facing substantial jail time for her role in criminal activities while serving as a member of the elite Serious Organized Crime Investigation Unit of the Hawks. The breakdown of the sentences for Bailey is as follows. Count 1. Corruption led to an 11-year sentence, the most severe among the charges. Count 3. Drug possession resulted in a 6-month sentence, which has been wholly suspended for 4 years. Counts 4, 6, 7, and 8. Obstruction of justice netted Bailey a 2-year sentence. Count 9. Negligent loss of a firearm ended in a 3-year sentence. Despite facing additional charges, Bailey was acquitted of the possession of ammunition and the defeat of the administration of justice. All of Bailey's sentences are to run concurrently, with the longest sentence, 11 years for corruption, setting the effective time she will spend behind bars. Her arrest back in 2011 by the Serious Corruption Investigation Team stood as a starting point to an extended judicial process that stretched over a decade and involved countless court appearances. The arrest occurred during an operation that revealed attempts by Bailey to sell police uniforms and ammunition, leading to the discovery of numerous case-related exhibits and documents in her possession, signaling a deep-rooted obstruction of justice. Adding to the gravity of the case, Bailey had remained out on bail since her arrest and was departmentally dismissed in 2013. This drawn-out legal battle finally reached its conclusion with the court's verdict, and the provincial head Major General Mathipa Makgado was quick to embrace the sentencing, emphasizing that the institution will exhibit zero tolerance towards corruption among its ranks. This sentencing sends a clear message to public servants and officers within the security cluster that acts of corruption and the abuse of power will meet with severe consequences. It also aligns with the public's growing demand for accountability and ethical conduct among those sworn to protect and serve. Thank you for choosing Satori News.